Welcome to our quick showdown between Vectary and Blender, two powerful 3D modeling tools. Let's break them down and see which one's best for your needs. First, Vectary. It's a browser-based 3D modeling platform with an intuitive, beginner-friendly interface. You can create, edit, and share 3D designs without installing software. Vectary shines in real-time collaboration, augmented reality features, and photorealistic rendering. It's perfect for designers, marketers, or teams needing quick prototypes or web-based 3D content. Pricing starts free, with premium plans from $12 a month. Now, Blender. This free open-source software is a powerhouse for 3D modeling, animation, rendering, and more. It's got a steep learning curve but offers unmatched versatility. Think sculpting, rigging, video editing, and even game development. Blender's ideal for artists, animators, and pros in film or gaming who want full creative control without spending a dime. So, how do they stack up? Vectary is easier to learn and great for web-based projects, AR, and team workflows. Blender's complex but unbeatable for detailed, professional-grade 3D work across industries. If you're a beginner or need quick, shareable designs, go with Vectary. For advanced animation or free all-in-one tools, Blender's your pick. Check out our chart for details. Both tools rock, but it depends on your goals. Want to dive deeper? Comment below and we'll guide you. That's it for our Vectary versus Blender face-off. Subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you next time.